What's good, Team Alpha? It's your boy Big Mike.
And it's your girl Ravin.
And we are back with another 5 video. Alright, we down here at the river walk.
Yeah.
Tampa River Walk. So let's go ahead and walk with us.
Yeah.
They got the boats out here. I don't know if I could. Yeah, I don't know if I could zoom in or not with the GoPro. Yeah, we filmed on the GoPro today. Cause we got the wind blockage for the GoPro. Yeah, man, people out on their boats, man. Got the police out doing their job. Got the tiki cruise over there. Got the nice views. Oh yeah, they kayaking over there. Strad Center. They got. Let's go walk. See what it's looking like out here. See, she got a hat on. Well, my hat on. Let me show y'all where it's at though, where you can come and park at. Cause we had a hard time finding it too. This is where you come park at for the free, and it's right next to the water. And sliding in the boats too. Yeah, they probably like boat runners and all that. We need to get on that side over there.
Yeah.
Nice and peaceful out here. Got people just chilling. People at the park. People biking. Birds ain't moving, they ain't scared. They probably getting fed out here. It is a nice day out here too. It ain't too hot. I mean, it's a little hot, but come out here with your hat, your sunglasses, some shorts on. Don't come out here with no pants on. You're gonna die out here. Guess it's a load in the docks. Load and unload. About the drone. There's some nice views out here. But now we just came out here today just to get out the house, get some fresh air. We never been down here before, right?
No.
Well, I never have.
No, me neither.
I don't know, she might have in the past life. No, I'm playing. Yeah, just come out, you know, get out the house, take a walk. You know, it don't hurt. Make sure you got some good walking shoes. Don't come out here with no slides on, trying to be cute.
Yeah.
You try to be cute out here, you're gonna be mad. For real, for real. Or at least be cute in your own way.
Yeah.
Dress comfortable. They got dogs over there. Look, dog park. That's nice. Them yats. I wonder if they're allowed to pull up on those docks if they want to. Oh, water taxi, that's what that is.
Oh.
I gotta try that one day.
Yeah.
I remember when the Middleton versus Blake game used to be hot.
Oh my God, yeah.
Now you don't barely hear nothing about them, huh? Got the boats going, boats going. Oh yeah. Yeah. Slide. Got people sliding on the scooters. Got a water taxi. Woo. All right. Now this we got to cross this bridge to get to the other side to get to the fun stuff. We ran to a dead end the way we came in. This your first bridge you crossed?
Yeah.
Well, good thing.
Drawbridge. Woo.
Yeah, drawbridge. Good thing. It got a sidewalks on it.
Yeah.
Get on this side. If a car hit us, I guess it's gonna hit me first. I guess that's called being a man.
That's love right there. That's love.
But it look good from up here though. Like the view and stuff though. Look good. First bridge, you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little nervous?
A little bit.
So you got somebody taking pictures over here. Drawbridge go to breaking down while we walk on it.
Stop
Look at the feds. I got your hand on my back. We're walking on this grating. Ain't no longer no concrete, it's grating now. Now I look nice though. Oh, that's where the water taxi was. We was just a little late. She's speeding to get over there. She's that scared. You must not know how to swim.
No.
You know concrete break too now.
It's okay, but that
This the side we need to be on right here.
Yeah.
They even got walking directions up here.
Oh. 36 Oh yeah.
10 Museum Mark. 275 bridge and all that.
That's cool.
Yeah. And they got a statue over there too. See what that say. They got some artifacts over here. We was on the wrong side from the get-go, huh?
Right.
Let's see what this is.
I see it.
Ignacio Haya. Let's see, y'all get up on that. Oh, he lived a pretty long life. Ignacio. Who is this? Oh, Cyan Bingley Hart. Okay, okay.
The 10th governor of the state of Florida.
He ain't lived too long, but yeah. They even encourage you to drink while you out here.
2 open containers per person.
That's what I'm talking about. Got some people on some jet skis out here. Okay, they doing that right.
Yeah.
We need to step our game up.
You right.
We thought we were doing something. We need some jet skis and boats or something like that. Yeah, well, we could be out here sliding on the water. This is a view from Blake High School from the other side. They must got some good views while they studying.
Right.
Let's see what this thing say right here. So they got the flag post up. Let's see what they got. They got some words for encouragement for us, I guess. Now let me see what it say. Dedicated to Medal of Honor recipient. I don't want to mess his name, but y'all see it.
Right.
U.S. Marine Corps, yeah. And they got somebody else too. It's an easy name right here. Oh, Paul Ray Smith. Got another bus. Let's see what this is.
Because we told the customer.
Elizabeth Dortch Bernard, I guess. Nice, nice. Big nose, but nice.
Postman, stop it. I'm supposed to start.
All right, let's see what this is. Blanche Armwood. Okay. Oh, that's what. Sheesh, from Armwood, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what old Blanche look like.
That's right.
You think she was black or white?
She black.
Okay. Alright, they got some kind of event going. Got kettle corn up in here. Got cups. They selling jewelry. Oh, they got some nice looking cups. But we already got 1,000,000 cups. She got 1,000,000 cups now, okay. They got all type of stuff out here. I don't know what kind of event it is though. You want to shave dice? Yeah. Oh, we'll do a walk around real quick. Oh, $4 cups. Good Lord, they killing the game. Tacos. I don't know, these are bread and pastries. Shrimp, fries, gyros. Okay, look like Hustler's Paradise up here. Oh, it's an Indian event. Indian cuisine. Hot dogs. Lemonade. Let's see what they got. Terrific beverages. Oh yeah, that look nice. Look like it'll be good. Got some Indian clothes. Indian clothes. Okay, I see it, okay. Yeah, they have that record. Got jewelry. Oh, and they got a little park for kids too. Bring your kids out here. They got a park up here for kids. Ooh, boy, got 50 plus flavors. Alright, let me get it all small. 50 plus flavors. Got the shaved ice going. You out here running it by yourself?
Yeah, normally my wife be with me, but...
Oh, okay. She took the day off on you.
Yeah, so I'll be busy all day. My son, he didn't want to do it.
Oh, man. It's all good. Somebody got to make the money. getting most of the business anyway.
It's hard enough for it.
Right.
Yeah, I'm grateful, man.
Oh yeah, how long you been doing it?
Been at it for about 8 years now.
Oh, okay.
So we're from Tampa, so
okay.
we do travel and go
okay. That's nice.
different places. We done been as far as Gainesville when they had the Bluegrass Festival.
Yeah.
About 6-7 years ago.
Oh, okay.
So got our people at them.
Right. That's good though.
It's already paid for itself.
Right. Oh yeah. So it's all profit.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up right there.
Yeah.
That's very inspirational for real.
Whatever your niche is, research it.
Right.
Find out a way that you can make money.
Right.
And put your passion and everything into it.
Right.
My wife, she always wanted to do it. Growing up, we used to have a family restaurant when I was a kid. And, I knew at one point I would get back into the business at some point.
Right.
So years ago when I started the Shave Ice thing, it was my wife's inspiration behind it.
Oh, okay.
And she motivated me to do it. And at first I wasn't on board. She was like, how can you lose in Florida?
Right, yeah, for real.
And we look at, like it's not a whole lot of overhead. And it just worked out.
Right, that's good. So, congratulations.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
And I got some scores for y'all too.
All right. Bubble gum, pineapple mango.
Thank you.
All right, you're very welcome.
Keep it up, man.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Pretty good. Let me try mine out real quick. That's good. That is good. And they gave us some inspirational words of encouragement. We're gonna enjoy these. Continue our little walk. Butt work. Got a little artwork out here. How was icy?
Good, flavorful.
Yeah, and you had the bubblegum flavor?
Blue bubblegum.
Blue bubblegum, mine almost gone.
Yeah,
Hers almost gone.
Yeah.
But you had a smaller cup.
Yeah.
Oh, they party on that thing right there.
They
so, they got to cut it. Oh, I would have passed out on that.
Hey, that's how you get active.
They got another little food thing. Well, look at this little bench. Yeah, oh, it's scratch. Got the little bridge. So that's probably the old drawbridge there. The one that's in the air. That probably sound real old.
Right. Hell no.
Tampa Prep over there.
Preparatory.
They should get that old school vibe. Oh, they got alcohol too. Oh, that's all they got. Alcohol, wine, beer. Let's see what we got. Beaner, Wolf Mars. Okay. Oh, Beaner.
Okay.
Who we got over here? Look like Eleanor McWilliams Chamberlain. Oh, that must be named after Chamberlain High School, huh? Yeah, that's it. First generation in college, co-ed, selling in Tampa. Yeah. See if we get a better view because of that sun. That's the only thing about the sun, to give you some good views, good lighting, until you're trying to focus on something.
First Lady of Opera.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Opera singer, okay. We done made our way downtown this river walk.
Okay.
I don't know if we're gonna walk the whole river walk, but we making our way. Tampa Art Museum. Let's get it in. We got some opening. Crossing railroad tracks. You ever crossed railroad tracks before?
I don't remember.
You're about to. You're about to. Hopefully don't nothing just come out of nowhere on this. Alright. That's crazy. But it's a full head though.
But at the angle it just looks different.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Hope it's so good on this GoPro. That's crazy. Head flat, but it's... I'm glad my head ain't that flat. But it's a full face though. That's wild. That's creativity.
That's trippy.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Tampa River Walk. If you're in Tampa, you live in Tampa, you got to come down here. It's nice outside. They got parks for kids and stuff too. It's like somebody broke the TV up there. Feel good though. Feel good to be outside. You get the nice views. Yeah. Who is this? Henry Bradley Plant. Name Plant High School named after him. A nice big field too. Come out and picnic in. It's another low bridge. Hope it don't fall on us, huh? Real low. Feel real claustrophobic. We're gonna make it out. We're gonna make it out. They really walk super long. We made it out. Look at those buildings. Slide. We then walked up on, oh, I ain't see all this. University of South Florida Park at the Riverwalk. And then walked up on the bull. Woo. Tampa General Hospital. That view look good. Woo! We done walked the Riverwalk. Yeah. The whole Riverwalk. Accomplished something today. We get y'all one nice little view. Got all the boats and all that over there. Alright, man, we just finished the walk at the Riverwalk. Ooh. How many miles we did?
We did 4.5 miles, y'all.
4.5. Oh, I see the spill though. Oh, yeah, see.
Just a bench straw. That's
I be telling you, gotta hold on in this car. We did 4.5 miles, man. It was nice, first time doing it. Yeah. Nice views. You know.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was fun. It didn't seem like 4.5 miles though.
It didn't.
But
we was out there for almost 2 hours.
Yeah.
Sightseeing.
Just enjoying the view, enjoying the breeze, enjoying the boats going by. You know, the little show that y'all seen in there is pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
You know, the ices was pretty good too. Yeah. You know, multi-million-dollar business right there, man. Right. Killing the game. Right. Which is ice and flavor.
No overhead. That's what you call nothing but large juice. Profit margin. Exactly.
Artificial flavor, nah, but till next time, man, I'm Big Mike, man.
And I'm Ravin.
And we are Mr. and Mrs. Alpha.
Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money as my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her rub me like I'm Epcot.